Hello, everyone. I just wanted to get on here to explain a little bit about the new missions that they have available on the crypto.com app. So, if you guys are not familiar with crypto.com already, I have a couple other videos that explain about crypto.com, and I have a full overview of the app. And I also explain about the use of their Visa card that actually provides rewards, and you're able to stake and earn money on this platform through buying and holding crypto. Now, on top of that, they have added a feature called missions to their homepage, which you can see right here at the bottom of the screen. I am just going to click on it and explain it a little bit because I also have earned enough diamonds to be able to purchase one of the mystery boxes that provides you with free CRO rewards. So, with that being said, this is the Mission Control Center. And when you get here, you can see that there is a spot in the top left corner for your diamond vault. There is the store where you can actually purchase the boxes. The boxes cost 25 diamonds each. And then you can see right here where it says diamonds earned, you do have to go in and redeem the diamonds to your vault every single time that you earn some. And then right underneath that, there is a status check. So they just give you the ability to come into the app, and I believe it's once a day for the status check, where you can check the Mission Control Center and they provide you 1 diamond for that activity. There is the quick quest, which is purchasing $20 worth of crypto or trading $20 worth of crypto, and you are able to get 5 diamonds for that. As you can see, I have actually already completed both of those today. So there is a time on when I can do them again. And you can see that right there where it says next mission starts in, and then the number of time, the amount of time. And then under that, there's a volume venture. So if you purchase or trade 500 US dollars worth of crypto in one day, you actually can get 60 diamonds. So you would actually be able to earn 2 mystery boxes just off of that. So I actually wanted, and then you can leave at the bottom, you can tell them your opinion and what rewards you would like to see. So I wanted to go ahead and film this because I do have enough diamonds for a box.
So you must have 26 in order to redeem for a box. So I waited until I got one more, and then I revealed a silver box right here, and I was able to click on that and then go back, and I received 1.2 CRO, and you are able to redeem it to your wallet. So I just went back and then I clicked on the vault, and I opened up the vault, and I was able to click on my rewards and withdraw the CRO to my wallet. Now you can decide how much of it you want to withdraw. I don't see why you would withdraw anything except for the full amount. So that's what I did, and you can see that it transferred here.
So I purchased a bunch of Ethereum today, so I figured that I would show you all me redeeming the diamonds. Now, if I had 3 more, I could purchase 3 boxes, but for now, I can only purchase 2 and redeem 50 of the diamonds. So I just got a silver box with my first one, which has given me 0.7 crow, yay. And then for my second box, let's see what I got. Another silver box, and I received a 0.8 crow. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so now I still have 22 diamonds left, so I will be able to get 3 more diamonds later today and be able to get another box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my rewards. I'm going to withdraw the 1.5 crow, click on all, and I'm going to withdraw it to my wallet. So that's beautiful. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays. This is second day of not so vlogmas because this is a tutorial, but that's what I like to do on this channel. So I appreciate you all's support, and I will see you in the next video.